To increase your battery life in OnePlus Nord 5, first of all, you can try going through different settings that I'm going to show you as a last resort. But first, we're going to cover the battery saving settings. So we need to open a settings on our device. Then we can scroll down to the battery section right here. And now we can go for the power saving settings first. So here you can adjust which settings will apply when you enable battery saving. For example, we have automatically exit power saving mode when your device reaches above 50% of being charged. That doesn't help us a lot, but you can enable or disable it however you like. Then we have automatically enter power saving mode when the battery reaches a set level. When you activate it, you can change that set level to different percentage. I'm gonna disable it for now. And then we have sleep standby optimization. Your device uses less power when you're asleep. App notifications will be delayed. You can activate it. This is the intelligent feature which will try to improve your battery life when you're sleeping. We have video battery saver. Automatically optimizes battery usage when a supported video app is draining the battery. This may impact video and audio quality. So we can enable that if you're watching something and just want to save a battery. We have app battery management, and then you can go through different apps and try to disable a few things like allow background activity. Use the smart mode, which will again intelligently determine if the app needs to run in background, and also you can go for the restrict background activity as well for that apps. So we have power saving settings covered. We can then go to battery mode right here if we go to main battery settings and activate our power saving mode, and that way we can see exactly how much battery we have left for how long. It also changes depending on what you're doing. So if you're open a game and start playing right now, then the time will drop much faster. So be aware of that when using it. There's also super power saving mode. It gives you around 15 minutes more battery than standard power saving mode, so that depends on you if you want to save that additional time. Now, as I promised, we can go through a few different settings that can also help you preserve your battery life. So let's start with new settings. When we open them, we can then move to the, I think, one of the most important settings, which will be in display and brightness. And here we should be able to find first screen resolution. So if you want to save your battery life, go for a standard. If you prefer higher, sharper image, then you can go with high, but it consumes a lot of battery when you're using it. You can also go with auto select. It also says that it will save some power by automatically determining which screen resolution is should be displayed right now. So you can go with that if you like. If you want to really save battery, I just recommend to go for a standard one. Then we have a screen refresh rate. Also here, I recommend to go for a standard. You can go for auto select if you want, but don't go for high if you want that battery life. Otherwise, it just consumes a lot of battery when you're in that mode. Next thing is also right here, and we can change to the dark mode. It saves a lot of battery as the colors won't be bright all the time, and you can go with that if you want more battery. We also should find something else right here, I'm pretty sure. Just give me a moment. Yeah, sorry, I forgot the brightness. If you're in the dire situation, just lower the brightness a bit so that you can actually see something. But if you have a high brightness and your phone is unlocked, then it consumes a lot of battery. So I recommend to just keep it somewhere around the middle, as when you go all the way down, as you can see, is just like our phone would be locked. So just pick whichever option you like here, but don't go as bright as it is right now. And honestly, that would be most of the things. You can try closing all of the apps in the background, but with the option of power saving and the things that I told you to do in the display, you should save a lot of your battery life. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.